Hey, Anthony here, and welcome to 1 Minute Mindset. Now, I am creating these videos as we're all limited with our time, and I want to add value as quickly as possible. So my goal is to give you a takeaway that you will actually be able to use in less than 60 seconds. So with that in mind, let's talk focus and start the clock. We are living in a very busy and noisy world, which if we fall victim to, it will stop us achieving success or our goals. So my tip is, I want you to focus on what's important, what will move you forwards. So next time that you are deciding about whether to do something, stop and ask yourself these 2 questions. The first one is, do I really need to do this? And the second one is, will it move me closer to my bigger picture? Now, if the answer is no, then do not do it. Do something that will serve you better. Now, one that we all fall into the trap of is social media. So next time that your thumb heads towards that little icon on your phone, stop and ask yourself, do I really need to do this? Will it move me forward? Now, the answer, I can guarantee you, is no. Now, in the next video, I will share a 1-minute tip on how to deal with building motivation. Now, if you have something that you would like me to try and cover in 1 minute, leave it in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. I'm Anthony Lay. Take action, create your story.